बहुत ही मुश्किल है यार, इतनी ट्रैफिक, इतने लोग। I am in Aladin Park, so I wanted to make this vlog only cinematic type. So enjoy watching beautiful scenes of Aladin Park. Actually this is a family park, so no one single can enter. यहाँ पे कुछ बंदे हैं मुझे जानने वाले जिन्होंने मुझे एंट्री करवाई है. So be sure bring someone with you, otherwise you are not allowed to enter single. Karachi is not only the name of lights, but also it is the name of hearts, with the beautiful people and beautiful creatures, the soul-loving people. Here in Karachi, you will get only loving and care persons. So never forget to share your love, your respect and care with everybody. अभी जो था मैंने आपको अलादीन पार्क का टूर कराया. सो इट्स ओनली एंटरटेनमेंट, और एंटरटेनमेंट हर किसी का हक है. तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू ब्रिंग योर फैमिली, योर किड्स हियर, एंजॉय गुड लाइफ. A video in public, but if you have passion, then it's not hard as you think. So keep your video shooting and enjoying.